Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design or create photo collage in CorelDRAW. Let's assume you have a wedding program you want to design and the couple gave you multiple pictures to work with. So if you are looking for a way to represent these pictures in an attractive way, this photo collage will help you do that. So follow carefully and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. So let's move into the tutorial. I'm going to show you two different ways you can do this. There are other ways, okay? Just follow the one I'm going to show you so you won't have any difficulty. So move to where you have your toolbox. Look at your ellipse tool. Click on your ellipse tool. That is F7 for the shortcut key. Click on it. You've selected the tool. Now, depending on the operating system you are using, whether it is MacBook or it is your Windows, what you do is you hold down your control key or command key. That is for the MacBook users. Okay, hold down your control key before you draw this circle. Draw down or drag to your right. Have you seen? To get a perfect circle. Why am I saying you should hold down control key or command key? Because if you don't hold down that key, okay, based on the operating system, you are going to have a distorted circle. Let's assume this is the ellipse tool. I'm going to draw a freehand circle. Discover that my hand can shake and this circle won't be perfect, okay? But with the help of control key or command key, I'll be able to draw a very perfect circle like what you have on the screen. So this circle is not at the center of this page. So what I'll do is I'll press letter P on my keyboard. Press letter P on my keyboard. Look at, have you seen? The circle has moved to the center of this my page, okay? I know why I want it to be at the center, so that whatever we are doing will have a perfect measurement. Fine. This is the circle. Okay, let me zoom in. Have you seen? Now move to your Bezier tool. Bezier tool, so that I can draw a vertical line. Bezier tool is still on your toolbox. Have you seen? If you look at the first 5 tools here with a fly out arrow, shows that there is what? There are other tools inside. Shows that there are other tools inside. So I'll click on that. My tool, look at Bezier tool. Click on Bezier tool. Have you seen? Now draw a straight line. How will I achieve that? Still hold down your control key. Hold down your control key. Take it down. Click and drag. Make sure. Have you seen where you have this plus sign? Have you seen where you have it at the bottom here? Click on it once for a straight line. Make sure your line is straight. Have you seen what I have? Now see, press letter P. Letter P on your keyboard. Let the line go to the center of this page, just like the circle. Letter P. Have you seen? I've pressed letter P is at the center of the page. Okay, make sure that line is outside that circle. Now look at your pen tool here. Look at here. Have you seen this area? Look at your property bar. Have you seen here? This is where you increase the size or the thickness of this your outline. If I click on 4, have you seen? If your own is not showing here, come down to where you have this pen icon. Look at this place. Look at your bottom right here. Have you seen where you have this outline pen? Double click on it. Double click on that place, you have that black, you will still take you to this environment. Have you seen where you have width? Have you seen? Make sure this is in point. Let it be in point. Now we have 4 before. You can increase it to 8. Have you seen? Let me shift it. You can see the size. If I come down here and use 1.5, you've seen the thickness, you've seen the lightness of the line. So I'll be using 8. Have you seen 8? You can also type in manually, maybe 7 if you want to use 7. Click anywhere. So I'll be using 8 for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, now click on OK. Now if you see this line, as you can see, is a vertical line. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to convert this line to an object. How will I do that? Go to your menu bar. Look at where you have object. Have you seen object? Click on, go down to where you have convert outline to object. Control plus Shift plus Q. I have converted this outline to what? To an object. Why am I doing this? So that whatever I want to do, it will take that effect. Now copy this line and paste. That is Ctrl plus C on your keyboard and paste. Have you seen? Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus V to paste. And there are now 2 lines. Have you seen? Let me undo. Good. What am I going to do next? What you do next is come to where you have your rotation bar here on your property bar. Type 270. Have you seen? Press enter. 270, so that the one you just pasted, that one you copy and pasted, it will take the same size, like it will go to the middle of that your circle. That is, if you have 4 pictures to work with, This is how you do it. If you have more than 4, I'll also show you how you can achieve that. Okay, so have you seen? This is it now. Since I've selected this outline, click on it. I'm going to select the second outline before selecting this circle. So click anywhere where you have this space here around this circle, click on it. You can see that I've selected everything. Look at, have you seen? Let me undo. Have you seen? I've selected everything. Now look at the property bar. You see the first one is well, the second one is trim. Click on trim. Have you seen? I've clicked on trim. Now let me remove this outline. Let me delete it. I'm going to delete these lines I use. Have you seen what you have here? This is what you have. So they have been divided into 4 equal shapes. Okay, they are still together. How am I going to separate it? Right click on it. Just right click on it. Click on the shape first, then you right click. Have you seen break curve apart? Click on it. Have you seen break curve apart? That is Ctrl+K. You can still go to your object menu and click on break apart. Okay, look for where there's break apart and click on it. Now you can now separate this shape. Have you seen? You can separate this shape. That is it. So what if I have multiple pictures? Like I said, I'm going to show you. So let me draw a small circle. See, hold down your control key. Have you seen? Press letter P. Let it be at the middle. Have you seen what I have here? I can add, let's say, for the sake of the tutorial, let me just add color. Let's just say 50% of black. Remove the outline. Now look at these shapes, they are separated. Okay, I'm still going to group it. How will I do that? Select each and every one of it. Look at it. Have you seen? I've selected this shape again. Select or then group. Look at group here. Look at Ctrl+G. Look at your property bar. Look at group. Okay, now they are together. What am I going to do? I want to also trim this middle. I want to also trim this middle with these other shapes. So click on the middle circle, click on this shape, and go back to your property bar and click trim. You can now delete this circle if you want to delete it. Look at, have you seen? So if I ungroup, you see that the edge of this shape has curved. Have you seen? Let me import the pictures. Ctrl+I to import, or you go to your file menu and you can click on import. So let me import the pictures I want to use. Let me bring in 4 pictures since we are working with 4. Let me select this 4. Import 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. These are the pictures we are going to use. So to PowerClip into this shape, how will I do that? Right click on this image, click and right click. You see PowerClip inside. Click on it. Have you seen this arrow? Click anywhere here, anywhere you want it to be. Click on it to enter inside. The next one, right click. Click anywhere. The next one, click and right click. You see PowerClip inside. Click anywhere. This one to right click. Click on PowerClip, then this arrow take it to where you want it to be. Now I want to adjust these pictures. I have PowerClip into these shapes here. Okay, how will I do that? Click on the shape you want, right click and click edit PowerClip. You are inside this PowerClip frame now. Have you seen? You can adjust the picture the way you want. Make sure it covers that outline, this circle or this shape. Make sure it covers it. Have you seen? Increase it. Good. Whatever is inside this shape that is showing, whatever is inside this shape, that is what is going to show. Okay, now when you are done, click on finish, or you right click and click on finish editing PowerClip. Okay, I got these pictures online. Okay, so we can practice if you want to practice. Okay, now right click, also edit PowerClip, and you can scale this one so that to cover the shape to what you want. Okay, adjust it. Good. Now click on finish. Have you seen? The next one, you can also adjust this without right clicking and going to edit PowerClip. How will I do that? Click on the shape you want, hold down alternate key. You see a key on your keyboard, ALT, written ALT. Hold it, like press it, then click inside this image. You see that they are already inside the PowerClip, even from outside. Scale it, hold down your shift key and scale it so that it will cover the space. Have you seen? Scale it well. Good. This is what you have. I can also right click here if I want to right click and edit PowerClip. It's the same thing. So have you seen? Let me increase this one so you show well. When you finish, click on finish. Have you seen? This is it. Now what you do is select all, Have you seen? Select all and remove outline, because there's still outline. Look at this thin line here, this black stroke or outline. I don't want it. You remove it. Okay, so how will you do that? Go to your color palette. Have you seen this stroke here, this white stroke here? Have you seen? Right click, right, I didn't say click, right click on it. Have you seen? The outline is gone. Have you seen? So this is it. This is it. Okay, if you want to still adjust it the way you want, you can do that. Have you seen? This is how to achieve this, okay, using your 4 pictures. If you want to, you know, add any picture, you can still draw a circle. I just leave this your circle and add any picture. If you want to use 4 pictures, fine. So this is it. So let me remove this one. Let me delete this one. I'm going to do that of the 6 or maybe more pictures. So I'm going to show you another way you can achieve this. Hold down your control key after selecting your ellipse tool, draw a circle, click P, letter P on your keyboard, let it be at the middle of the page. Okay, I'm going to draw a small horizontal line using the shape tool. Look at your rectangle tool here. Using the rectangle tool, I'm going to use the rectangle tool. Look at, click on it. Have you seen? Have you seen? Now click and drag. Look at the very small shape is what I'm drawing. Have you seen? Just like the outline. Just draw it, then press letter P on your keyboard. Let it be at the center. Have you seen? Good. Now this is the shape. No more that outline I drew. This is the shape. I'm showing another method. This is the shape. What you do next, you don't need to even convert this one to any object like the lines. Remember, I did that because that was an outline. That was a line I drew. This one is a shape I'm using. The rectangle tool is what I am using to draw this. So if you look at this place, have you seen these notes here? Look at this top. Have you seen there are 3 notes here? Black note 1, 2, 3. If you look here, there's another one here. If you also look here, there's another one here. Good. I have selected this shape. Okay, click on it once. Again, why am I clicking on it once? So that I'll get this skewing arrow, this rotation arrow. Have you seen? Good. I'm going to click on it, click and hold, take it to the right, take it to the right. Have you seen? Take it to the right. Have you seen something like this? Then what I'll do is I'm going to leave it. Right click before you leave it. Right click immediately as you are holding it down. Immediately use your other finger and right click. Have you seen? Then you press Ctrl R. Have you seen what I've just done? Let me repeat it so you understand. This shape you've drawn here, in short, let me start afresh. After drawing your circle with your ellipse tool, click on your rectangle tool. Have you seen? Draw a small shape as if it's a line from top to the bottom of this shape. Small shape, leave it. Press letter P on your keyboard. Click on your pick tool first, press letter P. Have you seen? This shape now is at the middle of this circle. Okay, now click again once because you selected this shape. Click once again so that it will take this shape, this to show these arrows here, this skewing arrow for rotation. Okay, good. Now I say hold down. Look at where you have this right rotation. Look at this place. Make sure your mouse pointer is showing like this. Have you seen this rotation icon here? Make sure your mouse pointer is showing like that. Then click on it and hold. Now take it to the right. Take it to the right. If you look at property bar, it is counting. Where you have that rotation icon is counting. So when I have 296 point any number, okay, I can now right click with your mouse while holding right click immediately. Have you seen? Now press Ctrl R immediately to duplicate. Have you seen? Good. I'm going to select this shape, select this one, select this other one, and this right one. Look at. Have you seen? I've selected it. Let me undo. Now select the main circle. Select it last. Have you seen? This is what you have. You selected everything. Now look at your property bar. Have you seen where you have trim? If you don't have this on your property bar, go to your object menu. You see shaping. Shaping. If you're using a lower version, just follow you will also be able to carry this practical. You see your arrange menu. Try it. In higher version, you see object. So click on trim. Have you seen trim? I've trimmed this shape. Now I'm going to delete these other ones I've written. I have drawn. Have Have you seen? Delete it. Good. Have you seen? It's still together, but I have more than 4. Remember we did 4 before, so this is more than 4. Now right click and click on break curve, or you go to your object menu or arrange menu based on the version, and you will see break curve apart. Click on it. You separated this curve, you have separated these shapes. Now have you seen? So let me draw my circle again using my ellipse tool. Let me draw a circle. Press letter P, let it be at the center. Good. Click on your picture. Let me add any color I want. Let me add black. Remove the outline. Have you seen? Have you seen? This is what I have now. I'm going to still trim it. I'm going to trim it. I can increase the size of this circle if I want. I can increase it. If this is what I want, if I want to put the picture here, I can put. So let me also click on this one. Select all these shapes. Hold down your shift key. Click on the first one. Hold down shift key. Select all these shapes you have separated. Have you seen? I've separated it. I've selected it. I've selected it. Now group. Ctrl plus G. Look at this place. Group, or you go to your object menu. Have you seen? Have you seen object menu? Fine. You see group. Click on group. Ctrl plus G. Have you seen? They are now together. Now click on this circle at the middle. Hold down shift key. Click on the one you just grouped. Look at property bar and click on trim. Look at what I have here. Look at this circle now. So even if I ungroup this one now, it has taken a round shape or edge. Have you seen? Let me undo. Good. So I'm going to import the pictures I'm going to be using. Look at your icon here. You see Ctrl plus I, the shortcut icon. Let me bring in 6 pictures. Let me bring in this one, this one, this one, and this one. That is I've selected 6 pictures. Let me import. Click and drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. You can also copy and paste. There are different ways to import. You can watch my beginners class, you understand. Now have you seen? Let me ungroup. I've ungrouped it. Have you seen? It's now separated. Good. If you don't separate it, it will not give you what you are seeing here. Click on any picture, right click, PowerClip, click anywhere, click on this one, right click, PowerClip, click anywhere, click on this one, right click, PowerClip, click anywhere, click on this one, right click. Do same for all. Okay, do same for all, and you achieve same result. Good. Now I'm going to edit it. How will I do that? I said right click on any of the shape, right click and click on edit PowerClip. Have you seen? Edit PowerClip. So this is it. Increase it, adjust it the way you want. This is what I want. If I don't want the hands to show, I will increase the picture so that it will be outside this shape I'm seeing. Anything outside this outline, it will not show. So let me adjust it so that the hands will not show. Now when I'm done, I'll right click and click on finish editing PowerClip. Okay, and you will leave. Look at this one. I've adjusted this one. Do same for this one. PowerClip, scale it. Good. Have you seen? For this one, you can still hold down your control key and click once to enter inside the PowerClip frame. Okay, have you seen? Good. So you can now increase it. Okay, you can now adjust it. Have you seen? Good. Click outside, finish. Let me do same for this. Let me adjust this one. Good. Let me adjust this one. Follow same method, you achieve same result. Good. Make sure you cover everywhere so that it will not show any gap. Okay, you can adjust if you want. This one, let me blow it. Hold down your shift key before you increase the edge. Good. Do not squeeze from here. Have you seen? Do not squeeze from the middle. Okay, use the edge here. Look at the top right to increase and reduce the size of the image so it won't get distorted. Good. Have you seen? I can now select all and remove the outline. Good. For this one here, I can reduce it if I want. Have you seen? If I want to put picture inside this circle, you can see PowerClip your picture into it. If you don't want to leave it like that, or let me increase this, let it cover everywhere. Have you seen? Now take it behind, shift page down, shift page down is behind. I can add any color I want to add. Select that circle, add any color you want to add. Everything good. So this is how to achieve a photo collage in CorelDRAW. Don't forget to subscribe.